What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can check frequently asked questions on Gemini AI. So let's just get started guys. So firstly you need to be in this particular platform. So how you're going to be over here is you'll be first go to this Gemini website, and then over here you'll be having this option which say chat with Gemini. Just go over here. And then you'll be in this particular platform which is Gemini AI platform. Now as you want to check the frequently asked questions on Gemini, what you're going to do is on your left hand side you'll be having these menus. Over here just go to help and check this FAQ. So this is frequently asked questions. So over here there are a lot of frequently asked questions. So here's how you're going to check. So that's pretty much guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also, if you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.